Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the EMA21 speed and acceleration indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the EMA21 speed and acceleration indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 20 different strategies with a total of 4 winners. We have also tested 358 indicators with a total of 145 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 145 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with this here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the EMA21 speed and acceleration indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And really what we are looking for is the background coloration. And so we've done this with quite a few other indicators before. And so you can see here on the background, what I did was I actually had to change this one, the color 1 to red. It was white or transparent, I'm not really sure. Color 0 was already green. But when you change color 1 to red, you can see that it pops up like this. And so what we're looking for is when the green background, when the background goes green, I should say, we are going to go long. And when the background goes red, we are going to go short. So relatively simple setup. That's how we will be testing it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so over here we pick up our first signal. It's going to be a long signal, and that one gets us to take profit. So far so good. Then we pick up a short signal right here. That one's going to get stopped out pretty quick though by a long signal right there, which again gets stopped out pretty quick by a short right there, and a few bars later gets stopped out by this long right here, which does pretty good getting us to take profit. Go ahead and continue forward here. So we pick up a short on that one right there. Let's check this pullback and see if it stopped us out. Let's see. Yep, definitely pulled back enough to hit the take profit, stopping us out. Then we pick up a long right here. Very next candle we get a short, and then the very next candle we get a long. That one's not going to quite make it to take profit. Actually, let's just go ahead and double check that just to be safe. Yeah, it's really close, but not quite there. Then over here on this side, get a short signal as everything rolls over, getting us to take profit on that one. We then pick up a long right there. The same type scenario, getting stopped out pretty quick by a short, and then stopped out by a long before eventually getting this short signal right here, which drops out pretty good and gets us to take profit. Then we pick up a long over here. Don't think this got us to take profit. Let's double check. It's probably pretty close. Yep, as I suspected, it did not get us there. And we pick up a short right there, long right there, short right there, long right there, then a short there. Let's see, I don't think that one, yeah, it did get us to take profit. Didn't think it quite made it, but it did. So then right here we pick up a long. We might have actually gotten to take profit on that one. Let's double check. Yeah, we did. Then a short right there. That one's gonna get us stopped out. And a long right there. That one jumps up pretty decent there, getting us to take profit. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut out some of the video here, that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we get closer to the end of the year. All right, so we are at the end of the year now. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel. On the Patreon only channel, we are posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy, a whole bunch of really great stuff in there. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms, and so if you use the MT platforms quite often rather than TradingView, that would be a rather helpful list for you to have. Our members and admins are posting also almost every day trade analysis, market analysis, where they're putting up screenshots of charts where they have marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, showing exactly where they're entering and exiting, taking profit, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're posting there for everyone to see. And another thing recently that I've started to do is I have created an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, and so outline exactly which ones were winners and their win rates. Also links to the video so that way you can go back and review those videos, see the exact strategies that we're using. So you'll get that list as well as the full list of indicators that we have tested. Also exactly detailing which ones were winners and their win rates and so on. And so really great stuff in there. I highly recommend it. All right, so back to today's indicator. Let's go ahead and get everything kind of in focus here like this. There we go. Let's go ahead and count these out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, and 62. So another indicator with a lot of trading signals. We've actually had this a few times here recently. They're not extremely rare, but not as common. So anytime we get one that gives a really large number of signals in a year, yeah, it's always something to pay attention to. So let's count out the winners. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. It's actually quite far from it. And so the signal, or this indicator, kind of suffers from the same thing that a lot of the other indicators that give lots of signals suffer from, and that's over trading basically. And so it's throwing signals at every little movement of the market, and often that results in inaccuracies, and often results in an indicator that doesn't do well, doesn't meet the 60% criteria. And so this is another example of that kind of instance. And so this one's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.